Your LG dehumidifier removes excess moisture in your home caused by high humid conditions, giving you a more dry and comfortable air. Follow these installation steps and tips to ensure maximum use. First, remove the product from its packaging. Place the product in a well-ventilated area. Do not use the product in a small space such as a closet. Install the product at least 1 foot or 30 centimeters away from walls or other obstacles. Make sure the product is placed on a flat and stable surface. Once you have positioned your product, there are 2 ways to drain water. You can use the product's water bucket or connect a garden hose for the water to drain continuously. If you choose to use a water bucket, make sure it is properly installed by angling the bottom and then pushing the top into place. If you do not want to constantly empty the water bucket, the continuous drainage setup may be the best option for you. To begin the continuous drainage setup, turn the hose cover counterclockwise to open it. Then remove the water bucket. Insert a 3/4 inch garden hose in the drain hole. Turn the end of the garden hose clockwise to attach it to the male connection behind the water bucket. Then make an additional 1/8 turn with pliers to prevent leaks. Then reinstall the water bucket. Otherwise, the product will not operate without the water bucket in place. Because of gravity feed, water will travel through the hose in a horizontal or downward motion. Make sure that the drain is below the hose and not above the hose, such as a sink. And finally, plug in the product and press the power button to start operating the product.